Guys, welcome to Cake County. Today I'll be showing you how to make soft, moist and easy vanilla loaf cake. So in a clean bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You're going to sieve that into the bowl. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half cup dry powdered milk. Sieve everything into the bowl and then mix until well combined, and then set aside. Step 2, in another clean bowl, you're going to go in with 1 cup of sugar. Then to the sugar you're going to add 1 stick of softened salted butter, and then you're going to beat until light and fluffy. So now you're going to add 3 eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. So you're going to beat everything together until well combined. So after scraping the side of the pan, you're going to gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix until fully incorporated. So after mixing with the spatula, you're going to go ahead and mix this cake batter with the electric hand mixer. So now after mixing it, you want to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of room temperature milk, and then you're going to mix until smooth and well combined. So if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cake County for more easy baking recipes. So after mixing everything, you want your cake batter to be looking like vanilla ice cream. Okay, the consistency, the fluffiness, the softness should almost feel like ice cream. Okay, so guys, at this point the cake batter is ready. So all we have to do now is to prepare a 9 by 15 inch loaf pan. You're going to make sure to grease and line the loaf pan before pouring your batter into it. So that's how you want your cake batter to be looking, just soft, fluffy and airy, just like ice cream. So you're going to pour your cake batter into the pan. You're going to smoothen the edge. Shake it for like a minute just to get out the air bubbles from the bottom. Just smoothen the top as much as possible. We're going to bake this cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. So, and there you have it guys, a simple, soft and very delicious vanilla loaf cake that is perfect for any occasion. Okay, drop a comment below and let me know, would you add chocolate chips, fruit, or keep it classic vanilla? So guys, look at that cake guys, very soft, very fluffy, easy vanilla loaf cake, perfect every time. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye bye and have yourself a very blessed day.